This video I created for a competition run by AKOOL. So over there you can also submit your AI generated video created using AKOOL and win exciting prize. So this is enter page for that competition where you can see the prize money is exciting, which is $300,000. You can take a share out of that using this competition. So over here, I submitted my output today and 37 days are still remaining to submit your output as well. You can win a grand prize of $30,000 for a 1 year enterprise and so on. There are many exciting prizes you can win out of this competition. To submit your entry for this competition, what you need to do is you need to go on AKOOL website and generate an exciting video using their Seedance model, and then you can submit it on their competition page. As here you can see, you can submit your video or enter the challenge in 5 easy steps. First one is you need to generate your best Seedance video using AKOOL website. Then you must need to include their logo on your video, that you can download it from their website only. I will share the link of that logo as well in the description. Also, I have shared a link of this AKOOL website in my description. You can click on that link and generate your video and submit it for the competition. To post that generated video on your Instagram, TikTok or YouTube social media account, and make sure you are tagging @AKOOL or hashtag AKOOL Clash competition. Okay, and once you submit this video, you will be eligible for this competition. As you can see, after you click on the submit button, you need to fulfill all this requirement, and with the help of one generic form, you can submit your video for this competition. So all the required links are mentioned in my description. You can go and click on those links, generate a video inside AKOOL, and then submit it for this competition and just win these exciting prizes. Okay, as the next part, I'm going to show you how exactly I created this video on AKOOL using Seedance. So as you can see, this is a homepage of AKOOL. And once you log in, you can see there are different models available on AKOOL to generate a video and images. Using these models, you can enter your storyline inside this and generate complete end-to-end video on a AKOOL website. So as you can see, I already have a story Queen of Sand and some character sheet prompts are ready through the Claude. Then what I will do is I will just copy a prompt of character generation of a main character first, and then I type that prompt over here. To generate an image of a character sheet, I will use Seedream 5.0 Pro model, and I will set a resolution of 1K over here, and you can see 16:9 ratio I needed, and let's hit generate. Alright, over here as you can see, a complete model sheet is ready with multiple angles, and this is highly in detail. This I can use as an input for a Seedance model video generation. Now let's create another character sheet of a mummy, which is a different character in my overall story. So I will keep the model and other settings same. I will just copy paste my prompt over here for a mummy, and let's paste it and let's hit generate. So okay, so in parallel, as you can see, I can also put different images in parallel for a generation, so it will save my time. Mummy's model sheet is ready, and also with this, the King's model sheet, Mummy King's model sheet is also ready, and which is looking pretty cool with all the details in place. Okay, so I'm going to create a background first, which is needed for this story. Let me hit generate by entering the prompt. So background with pyramid, it is already ready, and I can use this background, and there are different angles as well of this background which I can use. Now let's hit and create few more props as well, which I'm going to use inside this story. All the images as an input are ready. So I'm going to generate video using these images and prompt for each scene. So I'm going to create a composition images first, which I can use as a starting frame for each and every video. So I'm going to attach all the images like a character sheet background over here. And let me put my prompt to generate an image over here as well. I also use Seedream 5.0 to generate frames of this overall images. So as you can see, my first image is ready with my main character is running and all mummies are running behind her. Okay. Now let's generate next images. So I'm going to put all the prompts, all the reference images will be the same and rest of the settings are also same. I'm just going to put prompt and create these images in bulk. All right, so all the scene and short images are ready. I'm going to generate video using Seedance over here. So let me put a prompt. And here, as you can see, I can add generated image as a start frame. I'm going to create video of a 15 seconds, which are the quite longer videos. But as you can see, Seedance quality is amazing to generate a consistent character videos of 15 seconds longer. So first, I'm going to create a video of 720p only because I really wanted to save some of my tokens. Once it's look good, I can anytime upscale those footages inside AKOOL as well. So this tool is also available inside AKOOL where I can enhance the quality of a generated videos. All right, so first video is ready where chase scene is there. The main character is chased by mummies and this is looking pretty cool. Okay, now let's go for a second video where she hit that mummy. But over here, I really want when she hit, there should be a slow motion effect to where that mummy is breaking. Cinematic effect should be there. So let's try with this. I'm going to upload as a input image and type a prompt. Rest of the settings will be the same. And let's generate. All right, this is looking really nice. This video and this overall effect, as you can see, this is cinematic effect, which I included inside my video as well. So similarly, I'm going to create a shot by shot overall short films and then I will join all of these shots and generate a final video. All right, so all my shots are ready over here. I'm just going to compose the overall video. And as you have already seen my video in the start of this, so you can also go to the link which is inside my description, click on that, go to the cool website and generate your video and you can also win exciting prizes. Till the time, see you in the next video. And if you really like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will come up with these kind of exciting AI videos in the future as well. Thank you so much.